Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by verifying basic power sources and visible problems on your Mac. Check the charger for frayed wires and bent pins. Confirm the charger outputs the correct voltage and current for your model. Inspect the MagSafe or USB-C connector for debris and proper alignment. Try a different known good charger if available. Disconnect all accessories and peripherals from the laptop. Hold the power button for 10 seconds to force a shutdown, and then press it again to attempt a restart. If the Mac still fails to start, perform an SMC reset next. For Intel MacBooks, press Shift-Control Option and the power button together for 10 seconds. Release all keys and then press the power button again to test startup. Reset NVRAM by holding Option-Command-PR immediately after pressing power. Keep holding for 20 seconds before releasing to clear settings. If hardware seems okay, try booting into safe mode by holding Shift until the login window appears. When power checks and resets fail, investigate hardware indicators and recovery options. Listen for faint LED, fan noise, or drive activity to help locate failures. Run Apple Diagnostics by holding D during startup to collect error codes. Try booting to recovery by holding Command-R and reinstall Mac OS if the drive is accessible. For removable SSD models, reseat or swap the drive carefully and test again. If you see liquid damage, swollen battery, or persistent blank screen, schedule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.